Hi guys, what's going on today? I am going to hiking again, and this today destination is Great Pool waterfall hiking. So let's see how can I go inside and enjoy the hiking. There are some barbecue sites, and I have prepared some food for the barbecue. And today I just got into the destination, Great Pool waterfall hiking. Let's enjoy with us. So this is the bond that we just got off from here, and this is the way to go inside. If you want to go from this area, Great Pool, you can take minibus. The number is 20R from Typo Market Station, exit A3. Then you can get to that minibus, green minibus, then you can get off from here. So this is our hiking today. Let's see what have inside, and let's enjoy with the video that I am taking for you. Then let's go inside. Wow, this is so very amazing that we just go inside the entrance, and this is the view. In from down below you can see there's some barbecue site. Let's zoom it so you can see some barbecue, and I haven't seen any waterfall yet. So let's move a little bit down. Let's see what have downstairs. So let's go guys. After a little bit walking, now we got to here. This is a little bit water, and there one bridge here, so we can here take some rest. There's some water here. Let's see, have some fish down. Oh no. So this is our barbecue site. Very unlucky that today we have prepared some barbecue, some meat for the barbecue, but because of the coronavirus situation, we need to obey the law. So very unlucky, we have bring a little bit barbecue for today, but we cannot do it today. Little bit unlucky, but just let's review the size from here, the view and everything. You can see this place is awesome for camping one day and enjoy with waterfall. It's just very unlucky guys. Today we have prepared some barbecue, but there is need to obey the road that we cannot doing barbecue today. So this is water. The water not so very clear, but still is a good place. So we let move a little bit up there to see what is the view in the upper part. So let's go guys. Hi guys, what's going on? We need to go to the Great Pool. There is some guideline about that. Need to walking more than 300 meters to get to there. So let's go and see. Even so tired. Hi guys, finally I have reached here. today maybe not so much water, so that's why we cannot see many water right here, but finally we have got to here. That was a great hiking, guys. So we can camping maybe right here. So after a little bit time of moving forward, we have now almost reaching to the final point, which is waterfall. You can see from this place is little bit water, since nowadays maybe no raining or something happen, but in the video, you can, in the picture from Google or in any other sources, you can see it's very good place, but today not so many water, so we can enjoy here too. It's also okay. The view is awesome. If have time, you should enjoy visiting here in the normal day. That you can enjoy the barbecue with your friend and your family. So that is all. Thank you so much for watching this video.